The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to successfully perform a cross-subscription point-in-time restore. On my target instance, I'll request a new database. This is a new blade, and I'll enter all the necessary information like target subscription, resource group, managed instance, and the name of my new database. For the source, as a method, I'll select point-in-time restore and then select a different subscription. Please notice the current limitation that the source database must be located in the same region as the target instance. Okay, let's fix this now. We'll select some other database as a source, and this can be selected from the group of live or previously deleted databases. After verification of your configuration is done, the restore can be initiated, but the operation will fail. To prevent data exfiltration or data infiltration, we have introduced additional security checks that should limit what role has sufficient rights to execute the operation. Any contributor role will be sufficient, and as a subscription owner, I'll assign the SQL Managed Instance contributor role to the user performing the cross-subscription point-in-time restore. And then we will try again. Now that we have sufficient rights, let's repeat the whole procedure, going fast forward and hoping this time everything will go smoothly. And yes, the resource was deployed successfully.